Hey lab enthusiast! Introducing our revolutionary suspended underbench cabinets, designed with a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. Unlike traditional cabinets, our suspended underbench cabinets offer unmatched flexibility. With its innovative design, it can be smoothly moved throughout the length of the table frame, allowing users to create leg space and customize their lab benches according to their specific requirements. Our suspended underbench cabinet isn't just about flexibility, it's about durability and safety too. Equipped with stainless steel 5-knuckle hinges, every movement is smooth and reliable, ensuring years of seamless operation. But that's not all. The structure of our cabinet is meticulously designed to meet CIFA 8M standards, guaranteeing the highest level of quality and performance. Experience the difference with Waldner's suspended underbench cabinets, where innovation meets flexibility and precision meets convenience. Waldner, redefining laboratory excellence with adaptable solutions.